Your seatbelt must securely be fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the seatbelt sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case you may experience unexpected rough air. Further regulations require all customers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, and any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, one on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors behind the wings, one on each side, and 2 doors in the back, one on each side that can be used for flotation. Escape ropes are attached to the aft window exit frames for use in water evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with the signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you and keep in mind they might be behind you. In the event of evacuation, leave all gear and items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask forward toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under the seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to the vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lap children. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed in aisle armrests are in the resting position, and headrests are lowered. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight. Thank you for joining us, and let's have a great flight.
The cabin lighting will be dimmed for the duration of this flight. But you do have individual reading lights above your head, along with the flight attendant call button and also your individual air vents. Thank you. flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. The lavatories are refreshed with Lysol products throughout the flight, but if you notice an untidy lavatory, please let a flight attendant know. Fast free Wi-Fi is available on today's flight for SkyMiles members. Connect to the Delta Wi-Fi network or see the CPAC card to get started. We invite you to enjoy our service offerings, including water, coffee, tea, and snacks. Beer and wine are available for Delta Comfort Plus customers. Please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you might have brought on board with you. If there's anything else we can do to make your experience more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the 53 minutes of flight today. Shortly, so check your seat pockets and around your seats for any items you'd like to discard.
It's been our absolute pleasure to have you on board tonight. To prepare for landing, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Your seatbelt and your on their upright and locked position, and your aisle armrests are in the resting position. If your seat has it, please ensure large devices such as laptops are stored at this time on the back of the seat in front of you. They will not be stored in seat pockets. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they're properly secured. Finally, please check around your seat for remaining cups, glasses, or any items you'd like to discard and pass them to the flight attendants as we come to the cabin shortly. We'll also be landing shortly.
Welcome to Daytona Beach, Florida, where the local time here is 10:12 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value your feedback and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this fantastic New York-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta. We look forward to seeing you soon. If Daytona is your final destination, we will be arriving at gate 6. The baggage claim information is not populated on or work device at this time, but if you follow the signs for baggage claim and then you look for the flight from Atlanta, flight 02091, then you will see the baggage claim that is associated with this flight, and that will be your baggage claim to get your checked luggage. Thank you.